Welcome to A Student Guide to AI, an academic support center video. To make the content in this video more accessible, click closed captioning or adjust the playback speed. Today we'll discuss what generative AI is, how to use AI with academic integrity, how to protect confidentiality and intellectual property, and some of SNHU's other student use guidelines. Generative AI is artificial intelligence that generates responses to your input. This is the type of AI becoming popular in academics and other industries right now and includes chatbots like ChatGPT. Generative AI uses something called machine learning to interpret and analyze data so it can produce sophisticated answers to problems and questions. Machine learning involves training the AI on data sets. The AI is programmed to analyze patterns in the data and make conclusions based on those patterns. When someone feeds a prompt into the AI, it uses its analysis and subsequent conclusions to produce a unique response. Open source AI essentially means the AI code is freely available for anyone to use or modify. For example, OpenAI, the parent company of ChatGPT, makes open source AI code that many other AI tools use. This also means that you don't necessarily know how an AI model has been modified when using unfamiliar AI tools. It's good to gather as much information as you can about the AI you use. Copying and pasting AI responses and presenting it as your own work falls under the umbrella of plagiarism. SNHU defines plagiarism as the use, whether by paraphrase or direct quotation, of the published or unpublished work of another without full and clear acknowledgement through proper citation. Only use AI as a tool to help you do your work on your own. Never use it to generate assignments, and never present AI-generated content as your own work. If you use AI for any reason, you need to cite it. You can find more information about citing AI on the Shapiro Library's website. Regardless of which style you use, it's important to acknowledge somewhere in your assignment how the AI was used. If you're ever unsure about AI use, ask your instructor about their class policies. Machine learning AI like ChatGPT continues to learn from the prompts people give it and their responses in chats. You should assume that anything you input into AI will be stored on a server and used to teach the bot. This means that information could be used in future conversations with other users. You should look into that specific AI's privacy policies to see how your inputs might be used. Regardless of an AI's privacy policies, don't input anything into AI that should be private information. Confidential information like your university, your instructors' or classmates' names, course codes, or any other identifying or sensitive information should never be shared with AI. You should also never input someone else's intellectual property. In other words, don't copy and paste something someone else wrote into AI. This includes curriculum materials from Brightspace. Instead of copying and pasting, ask AI specific clarifying questions in your own words. For your own intellectual property, you can make your own judgment call, but we don't recommend copying and pasting entire essays or other writing into chatbots like ChatGPT. AI should not replace course materials. Always use official course materials, your instructor's guidance, and academic support resources as your first lines of defense. AI should only be used when you've exhausted other, better resources. This is for your own benefit, as AI isn't going to be as helpful as assistance specific to SNHU and your courses. When using AI to ask questions, make sure you verify any information the AI provides with other, more credible sources. An AI chatbot gets its information from sources available on the internet. This makes it kind of like a conversational Wikipedia, which crowdsources information. And because AI is meant to output unique responses to any input, the programmers can't verify every output for accuracy. As a result, AI is often inaccurate. For example, I once asked ChatGPT how many R's were in the word strawberry. It told me there were only 2. While these mistakes can be humorous, inaccurate information can easily mislead and misinform you about more important topics. AI will also simply make up information. For example, if you ask a chatbot to provide quotes from a video or other source, it will often make up quotes that don't exist. Don't rely on AI to do your research for you. You need to find and read credible sources yourself. And again, make sure you verify any information an AI gives you. If you use AI as an organization or time management tool, keep in mind we have great coaches here at Academic Support who can help you develop these skills. Our coaches make much better teachers than AI does. Humans are better at many of these skills than AI, and these are important life skills for you to develop and practice. Take advantage of SNHU's excellent resources while you have access to them. You're smarter than AI. A great rule of thumb to keep in mind with any AI use is to only use AI to enhance your learning experiences and skill development, never to replace them. Now you know what generative AI is and how to use it responsibly. If you'd like to know more, explore our other resources, like the Student Guide to AI Workshop and the AI Student Guidelines infographic. Check out the links in the video's description box. Thank you.